Hello and welcome to the fourth over of the Affiliate Marketing T20 series. In this over, I will share the top 5 profitable niches for affiliate marketing. Hi, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar, and before we jump in, I'd request you to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss on any updates and you learn the ropes of affiliate marketing. Okay, so let's jump in. So in the fourth over, you will learn two things. Number one, what is a niche? Although I've covered this in the previous video, I will give you a refresher, okay? And then I'll share the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing, alright? So again, in simple words, a niche is a small segment of a large market, okay? So if market represents a cake, niche represents slice of that cake, okay? A few examples of a niche are, if fashion represents the large market, then women's jackets is a niche. If fitness represents the large market, then yoga for asthma is a niche. And if technology is the large market or the big cake, then website builders is a niche or slice of that cake. Okay, so that was about what is a niche. Okay, now I will share the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing. According to my experience, the 5 most profitable niches for affiliate marketing are: number 1, health. According to a report, on average, 41.88% of females and 38.67% of males in India are obese. Okay, due to COVID-19, more than 5 lakh people lost their beautiful lives. So the need to stay healthy in India is on the rise. So if you can help people to get back into shape or become fitter or boost immune system, you can choose health as your niche. Okay, and as I've shared in the previous video, when you choose a niche, choose a specific area in that niche, in that topic. Okay, for example, if you choose the health niche, you can choose yoga for asthma, or muscle building for teenagers, muscle building for people between 18 and 24, or belly fat loss for women. Okay, I'm not stereotyping anything, but these are the common examples. Okay, then the second most profitable niche for affiliate marketing is wealth. If you can help people to make money, you can choose the money niche, okay, or the wealth niche. Okay, according to my experience, there are a few ways to make money. For instance, trading, mutual funds, cryptocurrency, investing in stocks, affiliate marketing, and so on. Okay, so if you can help people to make money from the comfort of their homes, they will be ready to buy from you. Okay, but please assure that the methods that you share work. Okay, don't share anything based on theoretical knowledge. Whenever you learn something, implement and see if that works for you. If it does, share it with people. Okay, many affiliate marketers are in the scam or fraud category because they learn from somewhere and share it with their audience and it doesn't work. Okay, so test, experiment, see what works for you, and only then you share it with your audience. Okay, the third most profitable niche for affiliate marketing is relationships. In 2024, I've seen what happens on social media. There is a lot of hatred and violence, and talking about relationships, many relationships are failing. The divorce rate has increased, couples are breaking up over silly misunderstandings, parents and children do not have a loving relationship, and employee and boss relationship is hardly ever pleasant. Okay, so the world is facing what I call a relationship crisis. Okay, so if you can help people to improve the quality of their relationships, in fact the world needs it. If you can help the world, the people, to improve the quality of their relationships, they will buy from you and you can choose this niche. Okay, and again, choose a specific sub niche. I will always say this: when you choose a topic, dive deep and choose something specific, because specific is terrific. So if you're choosing the relationships niche, you can choose one specific topic like a relationship counseling for married couples, okay, or relationship counseling for kids and parents. Okay, now the fourth most profitable niche for affiliate marketing is personal finance. So personal finance helps people to manage their money, know where they are spending, keep track of their spending, income, investment, and so on. Okay, And according to studies, the personal finance space is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 20. And that means by 2025, the personal finance space will cross 300 million in revenue. Okay, so when you teach people personal finance, uh, you can teach them how to keep track of their income, where to invest, and how to save money so they have enough even for vacations. Okay, and believe me, people want to know if personal finance will help them keep manage their money better. Okay, so you can create content, you can educate them, you can solve their problems and address their desires and fears. Then you can also provide tools, products and services to make smart financial decisions. Okay, and again, go deep. If you choose personal finance, you can have personal finance for, let's say, middle-aged men, personal finance for business women, and so on. Okay, and the fifth most profitable niche for affiliate marketing is technology. Thanks to technology, our lives have become easier. I'm sitting in my room and delivering this video, sharing information. This will go on my YouTube channel, Facebook group and my community, and people from anywhere in the world can view it. Okay, I'm sitting in Mumbai, but probably you are in New York, probably you are in the Philippines, probably you are in London, probably you are in Greenland, you're in Ireland, but still you'll be able to view my video. Okay, thanks to technology, this is happening. And thanks to technology, we can share our opinions more easily, like I'm sharing my opinions with you. Then the world is becoming more digital. Thanks to technology, especially after COVID, the world has been weaved into a closed web through the internet. Okay, and this technology industry has given rise to a software industry worth $500 billion. And according to studies, the global digital entertainment revenue, OTTs, movies and all, will reach $2.5 trillion, $2.5 trillion by this year, by the end of this year. Okay, and when you teach people technology, when you teach how they can utilize, you also need to take care of the remote working trends. Especially after COVID, people have started working remotely. So tell them methods that will help them to make sustainable income from the comfort of their homes. Okay, you can also tell people how they can stay connected, organized and work efficiently from home. Okay, so you can also share products that will help them, that will make their lives easier. Okay, so these are the 5 most popular niches for affiliate marketing. Let's revise them. Number 1, health. Number 2, wealth. Number 3, relationships. Number 4, personal finance. And number 5, technology. So these are the most profitable niches for affiliate marketing, and I'd like to give you a disclaimer. Although these 5 are the most profitable niches, these are the most saturated niches as well. So if you choose a niche, dive down and choose one specific topic. Okay, now I want to ask you a question. Do you want a list of 2000 plus niches? Is your niche not among the 5 niches that I shared? Do you want a list of 2000 plus niches? If yes, I'd request you to join my community by clicking the link in description. I will also pin it in the first comment, so you can click the link, enroll now and join my community. So that's about this video. In this video, I shared what a niche is. We had a refresher. Then I shared the 5 most profitable niches for affiliate marketing. And towards the end, I also shared how you can get a list of 2000 plus niches if you enroll my community. So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And stay tuned, we are in the 4th over of the affiliate marketing T20 series, 16 more overs to go. And believe me, there's a lot of value coming your way. So subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you do not miss anything. And that's about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.